Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you that how you can create 100 folders by one click. So as you can see, I have some names here. So actually I have 100 names here. I'm gonna create folder for each of the name here. So for creating the folder, you have to write here md means make directory, then double quotation, then the name. Okay, then close the double quotation. So we need to write the every name by this one md double quotation then the name. Okay, for rewriting this you don't have to write every option every name. You have to go to the next cell, then go to data, then go to data, then click on the flash fill. Okay, click on flash fill. As you can see, all the cell has been converted into same pattern. Okay, now copy this. Okay, copy the names. Okay, control C. Now go to the file path where you want to create the folder. Okay, here you have to create a new text document. Okay, I'm gonna name it name.txt. Okay, open it, then paste it here. Okay, then save it by you clicking Control S. Okay, okay, here as you can see, it is now a text document file. You need to convert it into a batch file. So for converting it, you have to go to rename. Okay, you have to change the extension name. So extension name will be bat. Okay, click on enter, then yes. Okay, as you can see, the file has converted into Windows batch file. Okay, if I double click on this one, this will create 100 folders. So now see the magic. I double click on here. As you can see, the folder has been created. There are hundreds of folder here. Now all folders are created here. So if you want to make the subfolders for each folders, you can do that as well. Okay, for creating the subfolders, you have to go to the Excel sheet again. Okay, I have another sheet of names. Okay, so I want to create three subfolders for each name. So for doing that, you have to write md, which means make directory, then name slash the first folder name. The first folder name is biodata. Then close the put. Now copy this. Okay, copy this. Okay, then space here, and then the second folder name will be work. Then again paste it. Then the third folder name will be awards. Okay, so this is the pattern md, then each of name slash the folders name. We want to make three folders for each name, so that's why we write it for three times. Okay, then go to the next cell, then click on the flash, click on the data, then click on here flash fill. Okay, as you can see, the we get the all files as same pattern. Okay, now copy this. Okay, okay, control C. Okay, after copying this, go to the file path. Okay, so I'm gonna delete these folders what I've made few minutes ago. Okay, now I'm gonna take a new rich text document name.txt. Okay, now paste this here. Okay, then Control S, Control save. Okay, now you need to rename it. Change the text file into BAT. Okay, then yes. Okay, then as you can see, it is converted into Windows batch file. Okay, now I'm gonna double click on this one. Okay, so as you can see, the folder has been created. Each of the folder, as you can see, there are three folders has been created in each of the folders. As you can see, okay, this is how you can create more than 100 folders by one click, and you can create the subfolders inside the folder as well. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.